So we figured it out. The shoe, the front side shoe jumped out of its spot, which popped the arm out. So we got it all popped back in and we're good to go there. So, are we gonna call all braking systems complete?
I think we can this time. I think we can call it a done.
Nice. Parking brake and hydraulic brakes. Done.
How far your half-inch cool? Your cool half-inch that works half the time.
Oh yeah, where the fuck did I put it?
It's right over there. You're consistent. It's right back where you put it the first time.
Oh Jesus! No, I put it on this shelf and we couldn't find it.
Well, you're close.
This is the 9/16. You lose. Oh shit! Hold on.
Must be over here.
Hold on. Oh no, those are my keys.
7/16.
Oh, I see it. I spy.
There it is.
Watch me lose my keys next.
Yeah. That'd suck because it's going to be almost time when you need them.
You got a flathead screwdriver. I can start my truck with that. Any Ford key actually starts my truck. Don't tell anybody.
You saw how good it's.
That'll do.
I think it's good.
All
What do you
right.
think?
I think
You like it?
I like it.
I like it because I'm tired of it.
Yeah.
Time to do something else.
All right. So we got trans. I'm just seeing how the fuck we're gonna put. Sorry for shit video. So we unbolt this. The trans has to go up and over. But we can actually go. Well, it doesn't matter.
We can drop that back out.
We can undo it for 5 minutes, but
Yeah, because we're not going to want to
go up,
looks like
over,
it
and
goes
down.
right through the middle of the drive shaft, doesn't it?
Drive shaft sits back,
Hopefully
starts
over.
here. Trans comes up
Oh, that's right, because there's the
here and it's
spacer.
tapered.
Yeah,
So yeah, you're gonna be
that's
good.
a tight fit there, though, huh?
That's gonna be nice though.
Yeah, it will be.
Look at that. Your $50 more stainless kit that has 35 cents of stainless.
Mm-hmm.
I uploaded that video the other day. That's gonna be when that goes live. When they see this, they already know about that.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
All of our adventures.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
You want to play with gas?
that sounds like fun.
Time is it? 3:15?
Early.
Oh, we got time.
See, it's dark in here. And we have the lights, so it already feels like it's 11 o'clock at night when we get here at 7:30 in the morning.
Hey, do you want to, speaking of darkness, maybe you want to take a break and roll the car and not put light bulbs in above us?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
We've been working.
Only two light bulbs in this whole building that are out are right over top of this car.
We've been working for like a month, maybe more.
No,
maybe
more.
like 3.
I think it didn't work from the day we got here, did it?
No, it worked for a while.
Did it?
I remember them
Oh, we
being
have
on.
one of them, yeah, that's
I remember
right.
them being on when I was doing the insulation.
Yeah, that's right, because it's top down.
Yeah. Yeah.
They've been like that for a while.
So we're gonna use the lift like a fucking.
Yeah, I think we get the car off.
We're gonna use this lift like it's a scissor lift.
I might be able to reach it with that ladder. If I can't, then you can wheel me up on the lift, which would be a really good video in and of itself. But we'd have to move the car significantly to use the lift.
Well, the car rolls now and has a parking brake.
Yeah, the only problem is we'd probably have to roll it out that way, which means we'd have to push it back in here.
We're not. It's not like it's heavy.
I guess it's not as heavy.
It doesn't have anything heavy in the front.
No, it's nothing heavy in the front, and we don't have that gas tank in yet in the back, so.
Oh yeah, the stainless tank.
And we can't really steer it very well unless we put a steering wheel on it, because I'm pretty sure if you grab,
Got a pair of vice grips?
you can do it with a pair of ice grips.
I've done it. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's bring it down then, and yeah, maybe let's fix some lighting.